Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Trainer. Today I am going to discussing about BitLocker encryption. It is a full disk encryption feature included with Windows Vista and later. It has two features. It is designed to protect data by providing encryption for entire volumes. And the second one is by default it uses AES encryption algorithm in cheaper blockchaining or X-Test mode with 128-bit or 256-bit key. That means it uses 128-bit encryption algorithm. It can be used on hard drive or pen drive also. Now I'm telling about how to configure it. Firstly, click on Start button and go to Control panel. Then click on BitLocker Drive Encryption and click on Turn on BitLocker. Before enable BitLocker, I have to check computer has no BitLocker. As you can see, there is no BitLocker encryption. Now I'm using password to lock the drive. And provide a complex password and click on next. And save your key at a desktop or another place and save. Don't save your key in C drive. I save in pen drive and click on save and next and start encrypting. It's take time according to your local drive storage. After finish, close it and open Windows Explorer and you can see BitLocker encryption is enabled. In this user can log in easily. If restart, user have to provide password. At the same time, I log off the user and log in with another user. Another user login and open Windows Explorer and you can see user doesn't have to provide password. User can easily log in. If computer is restart, the user have to provide password to log in or access in the drive. Thanks for watching and subscribe and share this channel and keep watching and like the videos. Thank you.